Hi everyone. I hope you're all doing well. I really miss you guys. So I was thinking, since we can't play in our classroom together, maybe we could read a book together. So I was looking through my library and I found some books that I thought you guys might like. And then I was like, wait a minute, let's revisit one of our favorites. Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. I think we can do that, right? We're good at following rules. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Just one. Now I'm yellow. Hurry, push it again. Push it again, hurry. Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Hurry, hurry. Push it twice. 1, 2. What do you think's going to happen now? Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Push it a bunch of times. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Okay. Uh-oh. Now there are lots of Larrys. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Let's shake it. What do you think? You think that worked? Let's see. Almost. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Okay, let's shake it again. Shake it. Okay. Okay. Whew. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Let's see. Scratch his tummy, guys. Scratch his tummy. Can you scratch it? Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see. There. Here we go. That tickles. Okay, much better. Now, let's not push that button again. No way. That was crazy. Don't push the button. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed the story.